In this video, we're going to show you how to correctly adjust the catches on a Datapaq TB4000 series thermal barrier from Fluke Process Instruments. Using a thermal barrier with poorly adjusted catches can lead to reduced thermal performance and possible damage to the data logger. The only tool needed when adjusting these over-center catches is a common or flat blade screwdriver. First, fit the thermal barrier lid to the base. A correctly adjusted catch will need some force to close to ensure a good lid-to-base seal, as can be seen here. If any of the catches will not close, adjust the screw anti-clockwise to loosen. Or if they're too loose, adjust the screw clockwise to tighten. Repeat the procedure for all 4 catches, and the thermal barrier is correctly adjusted and ready for use. That completes this short training video. Check out more videos in our Tech Tips How-To series on YouTube.